Hi everyone, I just picked up this raised bed and want to show you how to assemble. You can see that over my shoulder a fully assembled product has been put together already. It'll come just like this with everything that you need contained inside the raised bed body. And what's on the very top is just a sheet for stackability purposes. You're gonna throw this away or repurpose it. Underneath the board you will find two legs. Under the stacked legs is another stacking board. Under that you have the bench that's going to sit on the legs, which you can see right here. Then you have one final stacking board. And underneath that, these two brackets, which are going to be placed inside of the raised bed. And the purpose of these is to keep the raised bed from bowing out. And the last thing that you could very easily overlook if you're not looking for it is you'll find in some crevice down here a very tiny rubber stopper. You're going to plug this from the bottom outside of your raised bed. This is incredibly simple because they actually do have instructions on the side of the box. The next step says to install the legs. I'm just gonna turn this over. You'll notice that these legs have one side that is smooth and another side that has sections within it, if you can see that. So the sections portion should go on the inside of this leg. And it doesn't matter if it's here or on the other side. They made this really easy so they're interchangeable. It also doesn't matter if these legs are up here or if it's switched around. I'm not too worried about you running into user error. And then again, the sides with sections on them should be facing each other. All right, our legs are installed. I'm gonna flip this over because the next step is to install our bench. Okay, to install our bench, we're just going to go diagonally through one leg and then the other. And then you'll see a groove in the bottom of this bench. If you can't tell on camera, there is a top and a bottom to this bench. You want this smooth side here, not this side that's open and hollow. Because once you install this, you will have a smooth surface where you can put an extra small bag of soil or a watering can or perhaps a shovel. And our last step is to install these brackets, which will go in here and here, and then there's respective holes on the opposite sides here and here. This is what will provide some sort of sturdy placement to keep our raised bed from bowing out. If I try to bend it open this way, it's going to keep it in place. I've bought similar raised beds. I can already tell that this is just a better constructed product. Even things like assembling these brackets to keep the raised bed from bowing out, you can tell that the holes to insert the brackets are appropriately sized. I noticed that with some of the past raised beds of a different brand that I purchased seemed to have smaller holes than what the brackets could fit in, and just these little things that didn't make a whole lot of sense and made it more difficult to put together. And that is it. You have your fully installed raised bed ready to be used. And my hope is that this raised bed is going to last us for years to come. So I hope that you'll pick this up and try it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.